What do the S.R.I. loop trail at Carnegie and a particle collider have in common? Let's find out. Welcome to the Bay Area Dirt Biking Channel. Take a look at that. Hello riders. I'm here on the east side of Carnegie, just to the right of the MX track, on my way to do some laps of the S.R.I. loop. I have not been able to find out why this trail was named after the Stanford Research Institute, so if you know, please leave me a message on the comments section below. If it had been up to me, I would have named this loop after a particle collider such as Tevatron. Doesn't that name sound cooler anyway? You see, Tevatron was a circular particle accelerator that was used to accelerate protons and antiprotons in opposite directions, to collide them and generate very high energies, which led to the important discovery of some new particles. Okay, so what does all this mumbo jumbo has to do with dirt biking, you might ask? Well, Carnegie trails are bidirectional. So if you ride the circular trail during a busy day, you will realize that there is a good chance that you could end up colliding with an incoming rider if you don't watch your speed. Alright, enough with all this stuff. Let's talk dirt. S.R.I. loop is an intermediate level trail that loops around one side of a hill, and it's just fun to ride in either direction. I normally ride it in both directions. The first stretch of the loop trail tends to be a bit slippery due to some sand that was poured on it, but the rest of it has good traction for the most part. If you ride in the counterclockwise direction, you will encounter a somewhat challenging whooping climbing section right after the initial sandy stretch. Just don't screw up the cornering leading to it. Okay, we're here at the entrance of the main loop, so enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, ride safely and responsibly.